Awning window installation in Miami is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Awning Windows Miami experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can choose from aluminum awning windows or vinyl awning windows to suit their specific needs. Energy-efficient awning windows are a smart investment for Miami homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide excellent insulation, keeping homes cooler in the hot Miami climate. Miami window specialists offer a range of energy-efficient awning windows, ensuring that every home can benefit from reduced energy consumption. Custom Awning Windows Miami offer a personalized touch to any home. Homeowners can work with Miami awning window contractors to design windows that perfectly match their home's architecture and style. With a wide array of awning window options, including various awning window frames and awning window hardware, customization is limitless. Awning window replacement services in Miami are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Miami awning window replacement experts are skilled in addressing common issues such as leaks, broken hardware, and damaged frames. Regular awning window maintenance in Miami ensures that windows remain in optimal condition, providing long-lasting benefits. Awning window replacement in Miami is a seamless process with the help of experienced Miami awning window specialists. Whether upgrading to more energy-efficient models or replacing damaged windows, Miami residents can rely on professional services to ensure a smooth transition. Affordable awning windows in Miami make it easy for homeowners to upgrade without breaking the bank. The benefits of awning windows in Miami extend beyond aesthetics. These windows offer excellent ventilation, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping rain out. Miami awning window solutions are designed to enhance both the functionality and appearance of homes, making them a popular choice among residents. Awning window design in Miami is influenced by the latest trends and innovations. Miami awning window manufacturers and suppliers offer a wide range of styles and features, ensuring that homeowners have access to the best awning windows in Miami. From sleek, modern designs to classic, timeless options, there's something for every taste. Awning window contractors in Miami are dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality products. With a focus on customer satisfaction, these professionals ensure that every installation and replacement is completed to the highest standards. Miami awning window installation services are renowned for their reliability and expertise. Aluminum awning windows in Miami are a durable and stylish option for homeowners. Known for their strength and resistance to corrosion, these windows are ideal for the humid Miami climate. Vinyl awning windows Miami offer a cost-effective alternative, providing excellent insulation and low maintenance requirements. Awning window features in Miami include a variety of glass options, frames, and hardware. Miami awning window suppliers offer an extensive selection of awning window accessories to enhance the functionality and appearance of your windows. From energy-efficient glass to stylish frames, the possibilities are endless.